video on my intake manifold that I built for my Fe3 turbo Mazda B2200. Y'all check it out. What's up guys, a little bit B2200. Today I'm going to be talking about my new intake I'm going to be building. I cut the hood with scrap metal. This is going to be a sheet metal intake. It's a factory cut right there, or the cut that I made right there. You see the factory paint. Basically, we're going to refurbish this and put it back on the truck. Basically just going to replace the top manifold. Not a throttle body. Bolt right in there. This was the first thought process right here. It didn't work. It was too heavy. What's up guys? Working on the intake. Got our ports put in. Got this awkward angle put in. Sides cleaned up, ready to go. Got this plate built. Over here. That's what we got. There's this plate. Got it cleaned up. Edge matched the throttle body. That way we sit like that. Throttle cable mount to the side. The intake coming along. Put it up. Side profile does have a slant to it. Back to a square finish here. So just seam tape. See the funky shape there. I'm gonna drill and tap these still for the air intake temp sensor on my vacuum lines. Here we have the manifold. Got most of the seams welded up. All we got to do is weld the top seam on. I'm going to get that finished up, and then we're going to start coating it with resins and fiberglass cloth. Get it sealed up and solid. Alright, I got the first layer done. A little rough. Some pieces that didn't fit. Resin on the second coat. There we go, too. See some around in there, so the milk wasn't completely airtight. And also I had some bolt holes. Everything for the throttle body. For the sensors. This piece needs some hurt, fell off. So I take off that bit. Get it cleaned up and see what it looks like. What's up guys? A little quick update on the intake manifold. My throttle cable bracket. See a little bit of Wanda through the
resin. To fix some spots, I did spray this with the black coat to get it all smoothed out. It's pretty wrinkle free, other than right in here. I got one little spot that I had to cut out. Gotta refill it. Other than that, good to go. Got a flat surface. You have a flat surface here, even though it's got a bridge. It's flat enough for my sensors.